and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to convert a date list to a datetime series on Excel. So firstly, I'm using 2010 Microsoft Word. So if you're using the latest Excel version, you can just go here, highlight your column, go to text to column, go to next, uncheck all and click on none, go to next, then pick date and time format, and it automatically give you your date time series. But I'm using 2010 Excel, so I have to remove the space between it. So I use the trim to create a new column, trim it to remove the space, which is in my column I, and this is what I got. So I want to convert it here now to my datetime series. So I'll go to text to column, next, none, next. I'll pick my date. I'll pick date instead of general. So I used month, day, and year because my system is on month, day, and year, and the first data here too is on day. I think it's on day, month, and year. Okay, let me just pick day, month, and year. Okay, then you see finish. You can see, so we have date, month, and year. Thank you very much, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try and subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Like and share. Thank you very much.